Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Dubbing AI Ultimate Beginner's Guide. So let's get started. So here we are in dubbingai.io, and this is where you want to go in order for you to download Dubbing AI for free by clicking on the bottom middle right here. Click on this button and then you'd be able to download the application and install it. So once you have downloaded and installed it, you should be seeing it right here. So this is the Dubbing AI, and you want to go here into voice packs right here so that you'd be able to see all the voices available here in Dubbing AI. And then as you can see right here, we have this for this one, and as you can see, we have a timer right here, so which means each time that this timer runs out, then it would be a new set of free voices right here. So if you want all of them, then you would need to get the premium subscription. And the next thing is that we're gonna talk about the settings right here. So it is very important that you know how this works right here. So this one, the first one is this one. You can see the echo remover and noise cancellation right here. You want to toggle this on if your audio or microphone is not that good. And then the next thing is you have this button. So you want to make sure that this is not muted, because if it is, then you won't be able to use any voice changer right here. It won't come out in your microphone right here. And the next thing is the Pro one. So you can do this if you want to have a voice changer when you are singing or whatsoever. As you can see, when you click on this, it says richer expressions and singing supported. So if you want that, then you can turn on the Pro mode right there. And for this one, of course, you want to make sure that you turn this on because it's the voice changer. And the hear myself, this one is if you want to hear how it would sounds like as you speak, then you want to turn this on. But in my case, I'll just turn that off. And then the next thing is that you can select whichever voice you want. For example, you want Sarah, then you can see it right here that you are currently using Sarah. And Giorno, if you want that, then you can see it right here. The next thing is that you can go here into your favorites where you can see all of your favorite voices, and the voice cloning. If you want to clone someone's voice, you can just upload their voice right here, but this would require you to get the premium version. And then the next one is the settings. So from here, you want to make sure that your input is the correct microphone device and the output right here, the correct speaker device right here. And then the next thing is you want to go into Discord. So for example, let's say you want to use Dubbing AI as your voice here in Discord. So what you want to do is click here on the user settings on Discord, and from here you want to go into audio, so voice and audio right here, and you want to go for input device right here. And what you want to do is that you want to go for dubbing virtual device right here. You want to select this, and then once you do that, when you speak here in Discord, the Dubbing AI voice changer should be in effect. So depending on what you want right here, then you would be able to use the voice changer here in Discord. And basically, it's not just on Discord, it's basically the same process on whatever application that you want to use Dubbing AI on. Just select the Dubbing AI as your input for your microphone on that certain app. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.